Hi, welcome back, professional students and my dear friends. Let's try to see one important control which actually starts from ECC and it is actually useful in real time also. Let's try to see this is one of the document control. Okay. Learn a control about incomplete messages, allow to save sales order or not in SAP S4 HANA 203 or any other version. Okay, it's a simple control. We'll see this. Okay, you can go to SPRO path or else Vivo V8. You can able to control it. Before going ahead, I would like to tell. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is the place where I'm contributing here I'm currently holding 4,528 students and sales and distribution. So now Black Friday sale is going on. All the different courses available on at least price. So this is the ECC course. In future, S4 HANA 2023, I have already recorded some time ago. It's a long time, like somewhere 6 months or 1 year ago, 2020 version I have recorded certain hours, and 2023 and 20 has a minimal differences when it comes to SAP SD. I'll try to contribute there. Actually, my actual course in Udemy, it is going to hit any point of time in future for S4 HANA. SD learning on S4 HANA actually. Okay, so maybe S4 HANA few changes I can able to contribute there, but actual SD you can able to learn on S4 HANA system if you follow quickly. Okay, this is my pricing course and you can try this. More than 1,000+ students are there. Getting master to write functional specification, this is very important. If you are beginner, then I have one more course called course on idocs that you must follow if you're not yet introduced it to real time. Okay, if you are good at pricing, if you'd like to learn the basics at deeper on S4 HANA screen, this is one of the S4 HANA course I have introduced. And BP partners, definitely you can give a try. I have given my best shot explaining 4 to 5 scenarios. And this is S4 HANA FSCM because your credit management settings got moved there. I'm just providing these links below this video. If you really want it, you can able to give a try. Let's come to our favorite S4 HANA 2023. Let's try to learn this control. Okay, let's go to Vivo V8. Okay, so before that, let me try to create a sales order VA01. There is nothing to introduce. So press enter. Let's give a customer. Okay, this is got recently extended. So this is one-time customer. Let's keep this. Okay, test complete log. Okay, whether it is allows or not. Okay, let's take some material. Okay, try to give some quantity. No problem. Let's save this. Okay, if you check, edit here, you can able to see all the incomplete logs, like maybe Incoterm, shipping point. This is the practice where you are trying to fill, right? Okay, press enter. So now one incomplete log gone. This is a new system. I haven't done shipping point determination yet. Let's go to the payment terms. Let's try to enter. Okay, let's assume. Okay, I wanted to do this one later. Suppose you entered 200 line items. So it is very difficult for you if it is not allowed, but your company says, actually, your business requirement says incomplete sales orders not allowed to save. But no company will not say that, but certain times, so they don't want to keep any backlog on next day. End user comes and need to perform the delivery and all these things. If the sales orders are incomplete, the work will be, a backup for them. That report looks like a good idea. Okay, certain times, certain business demands, they don't want it, then obviously you need to do it. For example, if you go here, if you save this, it allows. If you go here again, VA02, okay, press enter. So if I click incomplete log, it is there. You can go and you can try to do some operations. Okay, after finishing off data or configuration, to get it complete your sales order. So now let's go to ZOR. Okay, let's come here. So the control is where exactly? If it is off, then it is allowing to save in warning. Let's click this. What exactly it happens? Okay, since order is already saved, there is no issues. So let's try to pick new sales order in the similar way. So then let's try to choose this one. Let's try to make this one. So okay, just press enter, all warning messages, no issues. Okay, let's try to save this. So when I try to save this, it is not allowing. So let's try to complete. Maybe you think that, if you do it partially, it will allow. Okay. So almost gone. Terms of payment, let's try to fill this also. In the similar way, I'm just giving a try to show a practical proof. Okay. So this only one is there, only one incomplete log. Okay, let's try to save. It is not allowing. Go back. Even it is okay. Let's try to save. It will not allow you. It won't process incomplete log before saving. That's what the simple minor control will help you out. If you want to learn control by control, okay, just you already see, you should be serious to learn standard. Then it's I don't say it's not very easy, but you can give a lot of guts to attempt custom. Okay, if you don't know standard itself, it is very difficult. Either it is S4 HANA 2023 or S4 HANA 19, 16, and whatever you take, or else even ECC also. It's not blindfold. Okay, the fact is that you have to open all your senses for your learning. So I don't know many things, but I know one thing. There I can show my confidence. That's where the game comes. So many people will come with a lot of certifications, a lot of other sectors of knowledge. It doesn't matter. If you're king, be a king in one module itself. That house pulls the confidence. Everyone is worrying about, always money. Okay, that's their passion. I'm always giving my preference, whatever I know. Of course, it took a lot of time. I'm holding more than 10 years of experience. It's not comes through experience, the passion, sheer passion. I was there 10 years with the same knowledge and standard, now also with the same knowledge with the standard. Be strong, whatever you wanted to do it. Okay. This is how the control is. If I off that, it will work. There is nothing to explain. Okay. Thank you so much. Jai Bharat. Don't worry, wins and losses will happen. If you look at, you just have to, encourage our Indian cricket team. Of course, they lost the game. Even I disappointed after a long time. I watched that game. Okay. Keep your spirits on. Like, those are like normal people, I can say, you know, Rohit Sharma or Virat Kohli, whatever you call. Okay, it's up to the game. Still, my mind running the match, fever. So after a long time, I'm following the cricket. It's okay. Do happens. I have to encourage them. Like, if you fail, what should you do? Come back and rework, right? They will also do the same thing. Of course, they are more successful. It's not so easy to in a sequence winning 10 matches. Okay, anyhow, my mind is going somewhere here and there. Thank you so much. Thanks for learning. Thanks for giving me time here. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Name changed. All the best.